Hello, beautiful people. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobre. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing great. We are starting the day right with my first ever workout for 2026. Probably my first and last. And this is because we have finally booked our trip. We know where to go. It was actually the drone that is the reason why that we are now able to decide where to go. We've already booked our hotel, so we don't have a choice. Even if the weather is gonna be bad, we still have to go. So we have two places that we're going to. We're going to the beach, okay? So this means that we've gotta work on this section right here, this department, so that we can have some cute photos, because our OOTD in the beach is gonna be a little bit nice. So we're gonna do a home workout.
Stockholm is quiet tonight. Late when I was couldn't stand the heat. It's raining on my side of town. I've been carrying the storm inside for weeks. And now the pulse getting stronger, like the moon finally arrived. Here comes the
Hello. So I'm done with my workout of the year. I didn't do much. I didn't want to shock my body, and we'll have some soreness later on or tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to do this in the next 2 days because we're actually going somewhere on Wednesday. So that will be good. And yeah, it's just pretty much my tummy that I'm working on. And now we're gonna have to prepare some breakfast. I will have to cut down my bread and rice starting now, because that's the main reason that is giving us Filipinas some belly pooch. And it doesn't look good when you wear the bikini in the beach, especially. And for 2026, I want to have some cute photos. I feel like I have been slacking off in uploading photos on my socials. I have just been focusing on YouTube, right? But you can't do everything all at once. So anyway, we're done for today. Sweating a bit in the back.
How many times have I fallen for you? Every promise you never delivered. How many times all the words that you said had me mixing the sweet with the bitter? But I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You shine in your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter this time. As ready as I can be this time. I'll be running free. I've been afraid to go out in the night, just to fall on my deepest desire. How many times did I call it a day, leaving all of my hopes in a fire? I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You shine in your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter this time. stars are rising.
Okay, we just finished with our breakfast. That was a good one. Robbie likes the sausage. And I decided to try this tea, the green tea jasmine from Twinings. And you know what? This is the best tea they've ever made so far in this house. I super love it. Robbie tried it. He likes it as well. Now I will have that every morning. Dobra, what is he doing? Chesh? Soto rubbish?
So, cleaning after you.
My new t-shirt. He's been doing laundry since he woke up this morning. See? It was actually very sunny when we woke up and now it's cloudy. The weather's been so unpredictable. Oh, look, this is second batch of laundry now. He's doing. Ta-da! Everybody is sleeping from the fiesta, guys. Last night it was quiet, which was really good. Panda Boo is here. Panda Boo! Dzień dobry. Soto rubbish. Dzień dobry, Panda. Look at here. See, Mom already removed the old carinderia here. Now we have a nice view of the mountain. Nice. They're not working today because they're tired from the fiesta.
I'm taking it step by step. I'm running and running. I'm not slowing down just yet. And this time, as ready as I can be. And this time, I'll be running free.
Hello everyone! Good morning! Dzień dobry! Dzień dobry! Na good morning, guys! Good morning! Is Fiang Fiang here? Hello! Look! You want to say hi to the guys? Hey! Morning! Go! Where's the guy? Fiang, here, guys. Dede? Bo. Lo, we're gonna fall. Look. Hello. Oh no. Hello. Go back. We're gonna fall. Huh? Ding 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 ding. Good morning, guys. It's Sophia, Jade, Sophia here. Hello. Ang tatay there? Morning. You wanna go to Buyek? You wanna say hi to Buyek? Dig. Fiang just woke up. We have a little visitor. Fiang is here. We're training her. Which one is she gonna get? Which toy? See? Go get! Which one do you like? So? Come on. You can do it. Get. Which one do you want? So? Ooh. Come on. Which one do you want to get? You have a lot of toys now in there. You're not even moving yet. We have to train her tummy to move. Look, oh, she's scrolling. Come on, you can do it. Go, Sophia. Oh, you're almost so near. Go. Oh, yay, dobrze. She did not even move a lot. Dobrze. Get, come on. Oh. Oh. She's just extending her legs. An arm. Okay. That's the challenge from Vujek. Uh-oh. Ulu, go. You're tired already? Oh, you want the mogo? Get. Tita, she's a tita. You're not gonna help me. Oh, look at the arm. Good morning. This is the next day now, and I'm here in Ayala Center, Cebu. Robbie is somewhere in Decathlon. We've actually parted ways. I went to H&M because I think I have mentioned to you guys that we finally booked our trip, and there is unfortunately a typhoon that is about to enter the Philippines. It is still outside Philippines, but I think it will enter in the next few days, and that's when our trip will be. So that's really bad, but what can we do? We've already booked and paid our hotel, and we don't really have a choice. So we're here in Ayala. We're getting some travel essentials like sunscreen. I think Robbie is in Decathlon. He is looking for snorkeling stuff. He loves snorkeling, and I think we're gonna get a dry bag as well. Let's see. I also want to get new bikinis. I'm gonna go to Metro. I went to H&M, but I don't like the designs of the bikinis that they have. Maybe we go to Decathlon first and look for Robbie because he doesn't have any data. There he is. Dada! Oh, very strong. Hello, I am here in One Montage building. I'm actually heading to Amor Dental because it has been a month since we did my root canal, and I had to go back because we want to make sure that there's no more cavity, everything is good. So we're gonna be checking it out today, and then I think if everything looks good, then the doctor will seal the canal or the tooth permanently. So yeah, I am going there. I just walked from Ayala. We parked the car there. Robbie is in Ayala. He doesn't want to go with me here because we don't know what time will I be finished, because if there's going to be problem with the root canal, then they have to redo everything again, and that's going to take probably 1 to 2 hours. And what is he going to do there? So yeah, he's just going to roam around in Ayala while waiting for me. It's just pretty much like a 5-minute walk, and I'm actually here. So let's go. for dental. Honey is here to the rescue. Huh?
So?
Honey is here to the rescue. That
Yes.
to rescue me from the pain. Hello guys, we are finally back here at home. You know what? I didn't get anything in Ayala Center, Cebu. We went to Toys R Us because we wanted to get toy for Fiang because we have been training Fiang tummy time. So we got this cute one, and then we have another one here. I think she will like it. She's currently sleeping now, so we're gonna get her later on. And then I have here a donut for Scarlett. She doesn't have school today because of the low pressure. And then we stop over in the road. I got here some fruits for tomorrow's drive. It will be a long drive, guys. Robbie is fixing the drone. The drone is actually okay, guys. I know some of you were worried about it, and a lot of you love the drone footage. The pilot is here. So the drone is good and he's gonna fly it so you guys can have nice shots. Whoa! What is that? Hello! Wow! Zabag, eh? Too big for her. So to yes, Piang Piang.
Yes.
Oh, wow! The Piang Piang has so many toys. We're gonna do a tummy time for her. Yes? Yeah! Wow! Wow! So many for Piang Piang! Wow, what's that, Piang? So many! The babke for Piang Piang, guys. So many for babke. We open this one. Okay, we're gonna tie her